This is Material Girl 338. I'm showing you the bok choy, and I just finished making fried rice. This bok choy was full, and I cut leaves around the plant itself, and I grew these plants from seeds. So just want to show you how quickly and easily these plants are to grow. The bok choy, I started in, well, this piece right here is a piece of kale. When I was doing the seeding, I put a piece of kale in there by mistake. But the bok choy is a fast-growing plant. Now it's seeding. So I'm going to let this one seed. But I just trimmed the outside of it. And I made fried rice with it. Here I have my rest of my vegetables waiting to go outside. I have some tomato plants. I grew beans. I have a squash over there. These are more tomatoes, different varieties. Here's my oregano. There's my basil au gour. That's cantaloupe. And then I got some Swiss chard. And then I also have, my husband's got some fig trees. That's a pepper plant that I'm regrowing this year. It never died. So I just cut it, gave it a trim, and just feeding it. This is romaine lettuce. Here is some more peas that they're going to grow. And I started growing, what do I got in here? I started growing that back plant right there is garbanzo beans. And over here I have the remaining part of my vegetables that are still growing. And this is pre-cut. This was a lettuce that I bought in the store. And this is the oregano plant that I took the top off. This is kale. I think this is kale. This is Swiss chard, and I got the basil au gour again. And then up here, what I did was I got an eggplant here. The basil au gour. We made our own hydroponic tub, and I have water in here, and I put the nesting pots, and I have I think it's called Rockwell, and I planted some different plants in here. And then I have the pump connected to it. This is an arrow pump, which is over here, the corner. And so I'm not going to run the pump now. You have to wait till it starts to root, and then you run the pump, and it aerates the roots. And you get beautiful, beautiful plants, and they grow in water. Okay, so I want to show you my plants, and then I'll show you this is my aeroponics lettuce, and as you can see, it's beautiful. I mean, look at these leaves. They're gorgeous. I have a little bit of leaf burn here, but I've been reading up on it, and it's a calcium. I think it's calcium deficiency, but I get them plenty of water, and there's it's all Wi-Fi connected, and it tells you what to do. These are just some remaining plants that I'm growing. These are peppers. And these didn't grow. Not everything grows. You know, you're going to have some boo-boos. So, and these are beautiful. They're growing very good. This light system, it goes up more. And then I think it's too close to the leaves. So I'm going to lift it up a little bit. But that's the system. I'm going to show you my rice.